America. Now, these birds are very well known for the sounds that they make. Now, one sound is used to call the clock, while the other one is used as an alarm call. Now, you know, indigenous people in the Amazon have what you call a cask. We believe this cask works as a vibrating chamber to make their voices louder. The hornbills are actually very chatty. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people used to hunt these birds down to use their casque or their feathers as ornaments or decoration. Bye-bye, everybody!